Nike's Air Max 90 Drift Bright Ceramic resurfaces for fall or winter 2025, bringing a rugged update to the classic silhouette. Originally emerging in the Drift line via a modern Air Huarache and a TPU-laden Air Max Plus, the Air Max 90 version combines durability with a mechanized aesthetic. The sneaker's graded synthetic upper and hardened shell make it ideal for colder months, while the steely color palette enhances its tough design. Jet black dominates the sole and mudguard, but it's the vivid bright ceramic orange hits on the branding that inject just enough contrast to make it pop. This futuristic, street-ready build signals Nike's continued push into utility-driven style. Though the silhouette took a brief hiatus earlier in 2025, it's now poised for a strong seasonal run. Expect the bright ceramic pair to arrive later this year with a likely $165 price tag.